let's understand the price action here on the euro dollar, guys. So in this moment here, we got a big move up right on the euro dollar. It tries to go to the next resistance, but it failed, at least on my levels. We are coming down to this big resistance that is turning to support. So why we had this big move up? Well, because we got a daily liquidity level here. So why is this a daily liquidity level? Well, to find those liquidity levels, you are just going to mark, well, you are going to need to have a daily candle that is followed by two white candles on the top. You are going to mark the highest point of the first bull candle. You can see that this turns into a liquidity level when it tries to break up, but it fails to open and close a white candle above this top here. The price breaks down and it has a big reaction on the second test. And this is where the liquidity is created, okay? Until this second test, this could easily just break up, and this was never liquidity, but we created that. And on a liquidity level, we can have two things. The price has a big reaction like this one here, or it has a continuation of the move and it breaks that liquidity, right? Because as the word says, everyone gets liquidated, right? Sorry, guys. So we could easily understand that with this one. We had a big resistance level here. It was tested 2 times. The second time it was a big rejection, right? It does not test the liquidity level, as you can see. It tries to go there another 2 times, but it fails and it just breaks up on the third. So I mark this wick because you can see that the price comes down and it's actually turning this big resistance into support on this moment. So another thing on the bottom here, well, we had this very good trend. So to have a trend like this, you are just going to mark the lowest point of the white candle here and the lowest point of the second white candle, and you need the third test for that confirmation, right? And this daily here was a big combination level to buy and try to catch this uptrend. So if we come down to this trend again, well, we might just break down because we already tested this on a third and we already got a big move up. So if you can see that on a daily, we are having a big trail on the top. It kind of fails this one, but it goes to this one, right? In the next, we have this daily here, but this one, it's kind of a little below that trend and I don't want to go there. This level here was already tested on a week. It can still go to the body of this support candle. But what I really want to hold is that previous resistance turn into support. So on this range here, this candle here, this bull candle, is the next big support. The price can go to the wick or to the body. If it fails to go to the body and just as a reaction on a wick, that is going to be even more bullish to try and attack that big resistance. So I hope you guys like my levels. There are a lot of levels here. I will not talk about them, at least for now, because we just need to understand this range for now. Thank you so much and see you guys on the next video.